tutorial. Today I'm going to be looking at transforming word problems to equations. First, what's word problem? Word problem is a statement that can be represented as a mathematical equation. And word problems are simply mathematical processes that transforms statements into mathematical equation. Now, word problem I'm solving is applied in engineering, finance, computer programming, and all walks of life. Okay, so when we transform a statement to a word problem, we notice that we're going to end up with different type of equations. Okay, depending on the field, it could be linear equations, quadratic equations, or simultaneous equations. So the steps to solving word problems is: first, understanding the problem. Second, break down the problem into expressions, link the expressions with operators to form equations, and solve the resulting equation. So we have an example here that says a woman is 19 years older than her daughter, and 5 years ago the sum of their ages was 49. Or find the age of the woman. So we take the question and break it down into different expressions. Okay, so first we have to relate the woman's age to her daughter. So the unknown age of the daughter will refer to as x, while the woman's age becomes x plus 19. 5 years ago, the daughter's age becomes x minus 5, while the woman's age, which was initially x plus 19, becomes x plus 19 minus 5. That gives us x plus 14. And the second part of the statement says 5 years ago the sum of their ages was 49. So if we sum up those two ages, x minus 5 plus x plus 14 equals to 49, and that gives us 2x equals to 40, and that means when we divide both sides by 2, x is equals to 20. So that means her daughter's age, which is x, is 20, and her age, which is x plus 19, becomes 20 plus 19, and that makes it 39. So another example says a cyclist cycles for x hours at 12 kilometers per hour and y hours at 18 kilometers per hour. Altogether, she cycles 78 kilometers in 5 hours. So find x and y. And so solution is to break down the problems into steps after understanding that we have to find x and y. So we have statements that link us to total distance, which you can see is 78 kilometers. Next is total time, which is 5 hours. So we try to make sure that we relate the information given in the question with total distance and total time. So we go back to our formula that says speed is equals to distance over time, and transform the equation to become distance is equals to speed times time. So for the time of x hours, we can get the distance by multiplying x hours by 12 kilometers per hour, while for the time of y hours we can get the distance by multiplying y by 18 kilometers per hour, and all together, put that distance together, we're going to have 78. While from the second part of the question, it says the total time was 5 hours. That also means the second equation becomes x plus y, which is equals to 5. So this gives us two equations with two unknown, which we call a simultaneous equation. So we choose whatever convenient method for solving simultaneous equations. In this case, we're going to be using the substitution method. In that case, we refer to equation x plus y equals to 5, that's equation 2, and substitute for y. by making x equals to 5 minus y. So instead of having 12x, we have 12 into bracket 5 minus y plus 18y equals to 78. When we resolve it, it becomes 60 minus 12y plus 18y equals to 78, and that gives us 6y is equals to 18, and then y is equals to 18 over 6, and then y is equals to 3. We could also then refer to any of the previous equations. In this case, equation 2 becomes x plus y is equals to 5, and that means x plus 3 is equals to 5, and then x is equals to 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So hence x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So this is the solution of the equation. So for more interesting videos on sciences and calculations, please click on the subscribe button. Okay, I want to thank you so much for your time. So I'll see you next time.